listen, never mind. Until I see you again, it's your favorite gardening, farming, and DIY guy. I am Will. And oh, don't listen, guys. I so much appreciate the 5K subscription. I'm so excited, super excited about that. Listen, I'm so happy that you guys have supported me from the first subscription, which was me, with my other YouTube channel, my other YouTube account, and my friends and family. And listen, you have found your way to my channel as well. I'm super grateful for you finding my channel. I absolutely adore you for finding my channel, subscribing, following, supporting all of the things that we are going through and we've gone through and we will go through. I appreciate you for being there and just, sometimes listening to my nonsense like today. Keep subscribing, keep liking, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend that there's a guy here who does DIY gardening and farming, and mostly he does good stuff. Majority of the time he doesn't. So keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing, keep commenting, and hit the notification button all the time wherever you find it. Just hit it. Until I see you again, it's Will, and I am out.